Okay, once you are in the Algebra Semester 1 recovery, you're going to see up here up top, you're going to click on classwork. All of the assignments you need to complete to recover credit for the first semester is going to be under recovery assignments. So everything under here needs to be completed with a percent score of 100 in order for you to gain credit for the entire first semester. So, so for example, let's do this one. I'm just going to click on the random one. You're going to see this little CK12 pop up. You're going to click on this. Make sure you click on your Irving ISD credentials. Once it opens up, it's going to ask for permission. Just go on ahead and click accept on whatever it asks. Once you confirm it and it opens up, you're going to have something here and it's going to say start. I'm a teacher, so it says preview. But right here, it's going to tell you an estimated time to complete. So it should take you about 10 minutes to get 10 correct answers. It may take you maybe a minute or two less, or it may take you 5 to 10 minutes more. It just depends. So when you start, just read the question and then answer. If you need a hint, you can come over here to the little monillo and go to the hint, next hint. Read those. Hopefully they help you. If you need a scratch pad, there's a scratch pad right here where you can draw or do some math. And when you are done, when right here, you're going to see 10 out of 10. You can keep going if you want, right? You can obviously do 20 out of 10. You can do as many problems as you want. What we are requiring is 10. You can stop for now. Make sure you hit the submit button right here in this circle. It has to say 100%. Submit, and then once you submit it, just move on to the next assignment on Google Classroom.